Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by proving ownership. Locate the receipt, serial or IMEI, and any account details tied to the device. Once done, call your mobile carrier to report the phone stolen and ask them to block service and IMEI. This prevents use on cellular networks. Make sure you can sign into your Google account from another device so you can access Android's Find My Device. These steps establish the legal and technical basis for recovery before you proceed. Next, use Google's Find My Device. Sign in, attempt to locate, then lock the phone with a custom message and phone number so a finder can return it. If location fails, trigger a remote ring to help pinpoint it nearby. Meanwhile, change your Google password and revoke related device sessions so the thief cannot access email or cloud backups. Also contact banks and update passwords for apps holding financial or personal data to cut off potential misuse. Finally, file a police report using the IMEI and proof of purchase. This creates an official record and helps if the device is recovered. If you cannot retrieve it, perform a remote erase via Find My Device to protect your data. Understanding this removes your ability to track it afterward. Make sure the carrier has blacklisted the IMEI to prevent reuse and continue monitoring your accounts for suspicious activity. If problems arise, contact your carrier.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.